Good morning, kids. I hope you all are fine and you have enjoyed the story of exercising Wongo. Remember a story about an elephant and a rabbit? Yes. How the elephant used to exercise, he was trying to touch his feet and he couldn't do that because he was obese. And then rabbit found a pie behind the bush and he was running with the pie, and the elephant Wongo was also running behind the rabbit, and how they both ran round and round, and finally Wongo was tired and he sat down. He said, now I can't run anymore. And at the end, what they did, both of them shared that pie. Yes, that shows us that we have to be disciplined in life, children. We need to be active and we need to stay fit. Yeah, right? Playing outdoor games keep us active and physically fit. Remember, whenever you were coming to school, you always used to play outdoor games, right? You used to go out for fetching water for yourself. You used to go out to wash your hands. There are these small activities and exercises, children, help us to stay fit. Now, as we are in the house and we can't go out right now, however, we can still do some activities which we can do it at home and still stay fit. So today I am going to tell you these small little exercises that you can do in your house, and also we will tell you about the words to know and question answers. So let's start. So we'll start with words to know. Obese. Obese means fat. मोटा बच्चा. कोई भी जो थोड़ा मोटा होता है उसको obese कहते हैं. Stealthy. To be quiet and sneaky. चुपचाप से कुछ चीज़ उठा लेने का. Snatch means forcefully किसी से कुछ चीज़ लेने का. Right? छीन के किसी से कुछ चीज़ लेने का. Now be mindful. Now you do this, okay? Do you like going on a walk every day? When you go for a walk, see who else is walking around you. There will be ants on the ground, dogs on the street, and cats walking on the fence. There will be insects walking on the trees and squirrels on the branches. Note how these creatures walk. Then pay attention to other scents. Try to feel the wind on your face. Listen to the sound of moving leaves, bird chirping, or children playing around you. Breathe the fresh air. Feel the energy in your body as you walk. So children, I would say that you should walk at least for 15-20 minutes every day. Don't go out and walk in the park. Right now you can go on your terrace and walk. आप छत पे जाके वॉक कर सकते हैं, एंड फिर आप वहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि स्क्विरल कैसे ब्रांचेस पर खेल रही है, पत्ते कैसे मूव हो रहे हैं, आपके चेहरे पे कैसे ठंडी ठंडी हवा लग रही है. एंड इफ़ देयर आर एनी चिल्ड्रन प्लेइंग nearby you can see that and you can feel fresh. So do that whenever you have time. Especially do that in the morning if you get up early, or in the evening somewhere close to 6 o'clock when you have little nice breeze and the sun, there is not much heat with the sun. Okay, now let's do the question answers. Why did the doctor wanted Wongo to exercise? Because Wongo was getting fat. Wongo was obese. What did Mickey want to do while watching Wongo exercise? Mickey wanted to eat the pie. How did Wongo feel about this? Wongo felt very bad and he was getting angry that, it is my pie. You don't eat it. Why couldn't Wongo catch Mickey? Wongo couldn't catch Mickey because Wongo was fat. He couldn't run for a long time and Mickey was running here and there. Could Wongo answer the riddle correctly? Yes, he tried to. When Mickey said, what is the riddle? What is the best thing in the pie? And Wongo said, my teeth. Yes, so he tried. Now, Wongo was very obese. He had a friend who was a rabbit. Mickey found a pie behind the bush. Mickey dished under Wongo's trunk and slipped away. मिकी कर रहा था ना, वोंगो की ट्रंक के नीचे से इधर उधर होके भाग रहा था. Now correct the correct sentences. Vongo had become very fat. His mother wanted him to exercise daily. Mickey teased him for being obese. Vongo shared a pie with Mickey. Mickey asked Vongo a maths question. So Vongo was becoming very fat, that is true. And Vongo shared the pie with Mickey. So both the friends shared the pie. Look at the picture and write the letter that you find in the box that will keep you fit and healthy. The first one says food, the second one says exercise, third says sleep, and fourth says fruit. Yes children, so everything has to be in proportion. So you have to sleep at least for 8 hours, you need to exercise every day for half an hour, you have to have proper food with all the nutritions, and you also have to have fruits, right? Whatever the seasonal fruits are, you should always have them. They will help you to keep yourself strong and fit. Now we have got Tony and Tutu again. Let's see what they say. I think I will be a detective when I grow up. You cannot even find the nose on your face. Now let's see what he says. But I could find the cookies that you hide away in your cubby hole. So now both of them are fighting. So one is saying that I'll be a detective when I become old. The other one says you cannot even find your nose, how will you find other things? He's saying I can find your cookies whenever you hide them. So see how cute friends they are. Now subject connect. There are some activities that increase your heart energy, and there are some activities which take it away. Now let's see. Look at the two hearts. One is energetic and other one is tired. Match the activities with the right heart. So now you need to match the activities. Skip breakfast. Skipping breakfast will give us what? A sad heart. Dancing will give us an energetic heart. Walking also will give us an energetic heart. PE class will give us an energetic heart. Sports also. Less sleep than 8 hours will give a tired heart. We need to have good sleep. Skipping lunch will give us a tired heart. No exercise will give us a tired heart. Playing on the computer for hours will give us a tired heart. Being active every day will give us a happy heart. Gardening again will give us a happy heart. Snacking all day, eating all chips and biscuits and toffees will give us a sad heart. Helping in the kitchen, oh wow, helping your mom, dad or your grandparents will give you a happy heart. Watching TV for more than 2 hours a day will give you a sad or tired heart. So children, what we have learned here is we need to be active, we need to be energetic, we need to keep on doing work so that our hearts remain energetic. If we don't sleep on time, if we eat all the snacks, if we just sit on and watch TV whole day, we'll have a tired heart because हमारे को stress पड़ेगा हमारी आँखों पे, हमारे सिर पे. So always try to do activities which will keep you fit and fine. Now on page number 22, complete the conversation using the words. Sam, you are always playing computer games. Why don't you play outdoor games? I love to play computer games. Outdoor games will make you strong and healthy. Don't you like playing indoor? Yes, I do, but outdoor games make me fit and happy. Yes, we should play outdoor games, children. Now, right now you can't play, but you can at least go on your terrace and play. Play a little with your football. If you have a small cycle, try doing that. Or run around, jump around, take fresh air, take sunlight. So whenever you have time in the evening, go on the terrace and play. Now be wise. You know that yoga is an oldest form of fitness exercise. Thousands of years ago, the ancient yogis lived in forests, the mountains and the caves of India. They noticed how nature and animal looked and moved. They helped them to create various poses that helped them keep us fit and happy. So now yoga is a very old form of exercise and staying fit. So what our yogis used to do? They used to go on mountains and live in cages and caves, and they used to see how birds and animals used to make poses, and through that they have develop few poses which will help us. So do these two poses when you have free time and when you go on your terrace. Sit back with the back straight and your knee bent. Lean back slightly, put your arms straight in front of you. Now balance on your back, lift your leg in front, pretend to rock like a boat in the water. So see how this girl is doing? Try to do that. Now bow pose. Lie down on your tummy with your feet apart and your arms by side of your body. Fold your knees, take your hands backward and hold your ankles. Breathing in, lift your chest from the ground and pull your legs up and lift backward. Look straight ahead with a smile on your face. Do this pose also, children. Okay. Now complete these activities on page 23, which says make a list of your favorite food. Now look at the list and answer the following: which food is tasty and healthy to eat? Which foods are tasty but less healthy? Now put your food in these two columns and one is done for you. So less healthy is again pizza. It has lot of fat and lot of calories and lot of carbohydrates. And very healthy is spinach. आपकी पालक, उसमें क्या होता है? आयरन होता है, right? So you should always have healthy food. Fill in these two activities, children, with less healthy foods and very healthy foods. Calories and energy will help to get good from good food. These energy help us to perform physical activities. 6 to 12 years old going children require 600 to 2200 calories per day. Find out how much calories you get from the list of your favorite food. Now whatever favorite food you write here, find out how many calories you are getting. Okay. Now the bell game. So you make a circle with your friends or with your parents if they have time. Get your grandparents, your siblings and make a circle and play this bell game. Okay, pass on the bell and play this game and see what is the change. Change would be your seating arrangement. Do this. Okay. Now weekly exercise. Now ask your mom to help you in that and try doing some exercises at home. I told you now, you can jog at home, you can do this boat pose or bow pose. Do these exercises. Okay. Now newspaper reading. Read a sports page in a newspaper, cut an article that interests you and paste it here. So read a newspaper, the sports column, and write that article or paste that article here. Cut a sports article and paste it here. Now write the above questions. What is the name of the newspaper? What game of article was it? So what is the article all about? Who is the writer of the article? And what are the headlines of the article? And write few sentences on that article. So whatever you are pasting, write about that in this questions. Okay, on page number 25. Now children, that is all about exercising Vongo. So what you have learned, that we need to be disciplined in life, we need to have healthy food, we need to exercise daily. So try doing these exercises at your home and eat healthy food. Do these activities which I told you. Okay, I will see you in the next class with a new story. Till that time, stay fit and be strong. Bye bye.